Today I'm gonna talk about the multiplication of two rational expressions with polynomials. Now let's take a look at the first example. We have two rational expressions. The first one is 8x minus 6 divided by 7x plus 14. And the second rational expression is 7 over 4x minus 3. So, the first step, we let the numerator times together and let the denominator times together. Then we have what? We have 7 times 6x minus 6. Okay, and then we let denominator times together. We have 7x plus 14 times 4x minus 3. Okay, so now for the numerator 8x minus 6, it's clearly we can try to factor this polynomial. We have 2 times 4x, right? 8 can factor as 2 times 4. For 6 can be factored as 2 times 3, right? And for the denominator, it's very clearly 7 times x. Here is 14 is 7 times 2. Okay, for this term we can't factor anything, so we just copy it. 4x minus 3. Okay, then we're gonna factor the 2 out of this polynomial. We have 7 times 2, 4x minus 3. And for the denominator, we have 7x plus 7 times 2, so we can factor 7. Then we have x plus 2. And then we copy 4x minus 3. And now we can cancel out some terms. We have 4x minus 3, 4x minus 3. And we cancel out 7 and 7. And the left terms we're gonna get 2 divided by x plus 2. Okay. Now let's take a look. The second example. We're gonna follow the same strategy. We let the numerator times together 25 times 10x minus 70, and we let denominator times together. Okay, and for the numerator, it's clearly we can factor the 10x minus 70 because we can easily tell here the 70 can be written down as 10 times 7. Okay, and for the numerator we can write down the 105 can be written down as 15 times 7. Now we can factor the common factor. Here's 10, right? 10. We write down x minus 7. And for the denominator, here we have 15, right? We can factor 15, and we can get 7 minus x. Okay, and the tricky part is here's x minus 7, here's 7 minus x. Actually here's a negative, so we can put a negative inside of parentheses, and actually we can get what? We can get so we have put the negative inside of parentheses. So we have negative 7 plus x, right? And this term x minus 7 is exactly negative 7 plus x. These two are equivalent, right? So we can cancel out these two terms. And then we have what? We have 25, 10, and 5x, and 15. Okay, now we can factor the 25, and we know 25 divided by 5 is what? Is 5. Or you can factor 25 is 5 times 5, we can cancel out the 5. So here it's very clearly 25 divided by 5 is 5. So we can, so we just, that 25 divided by 5 is 5. And then we can have 5, 10 divided by 15x. Okay, 15x. Now, for the 15, we can write down as 5 times 3. Right? 5 times 3. So we can continue to simplify. So 5 is 10. Sorry, is 10 over 3x. That's it.